Sometimes in your cleaning and sanitizing processes, you just need to be able to depress the poppet on your post and get some liquid flowing through it, be it for drawing a sample or for serving from a little keg, or maybe just to move some sanitizer up into a dip tube. So we thought about a way to make this even easier, because most people have been using other kind of contraptions like an MFL adapter on a disconnect with a tap to be able to serve from mini kegs, which works great. We also use picnic taps, where you've got this line and the disconnect and the tap that you turn on and off by depressing it with your thumb. And some people still go even further and use Pluto guns for the ease of being able to squeeze it through your palm to grab samples and other things. But all of these present a few issues when it comes to cleaning, and they're not exactly easy to clean, but they're not hard to clean either. So we decided to make a little device that nobody had really made before, and even though it seemed kind of like, well, why? We thought, well, let's give it a shot. So the Quickie from Keg King is a poppet depressor that fits over the liquid post on your kegs that have Cornelius liquid posts on them. And you can draw a little bit of sanitizer through it, as you will see on this one over here, just by pushing down on the poppet. So you can take a sample if you needed to be able to test your hydrometer readings. Now when you take Quickie off, it will leak a little tiny bit, but you'll just mop that up a little bit like that, and you're ready to go again because we just put sanitizer through this. So you can also hook up a piece of 6mm by 10mm OD tubing to your Quickie if you have to clear some sort of space between your device, your fermenter, and the Quickie itself. In this case, I'm just using this little piece of tubing to be able to get us a little extra fill. But that's all the Quickie is just a poppet depressor with a little spout on it. So if you wanted to, you could actually pour yourself a beer with this as well. And of course, you could whip out your chubby and have a Quickie, but then also, you can also just put it onto something that you wanted to serve off of, like a mini keg that you've taken camping or to the beach or out with you someplace. And without bringing this guy around with you, or having one of these to have to deal with later on, you can simply just pour yourself a beer from the Quickie. So it will fill glasses, it will fill samples, it will do exactly what you can do with all of this stuff. Get a Quickie. It's that much easier.